Good afternoon, I'm John Phillips on JP Mortgages. I hope you're all well in this horrible climate we're in at the moment. I'm going to be sharing my views and opinions and hopefully give you some pointers on where things are going. So let's first of all talk about all the bars and the restaurants closing down and people losing their jobs. You've all got financial commitments, car loans, bank loans, mortgages. The first thing you need to do if you've been laid off is get an A4 pad with a pen, ring your bank or billing society up, get the name of the person you're speaking to or your personal loan lender or credit card and tell them your problems, and they should sort you a plan out to pay them monthly commitments back because it's not your fault. I also think the country is around the corner from maybe lockdown. Loads of people working from home and we are at the moment in troubled waters. Let's see what's going to happen. But all the lenders, banks, billing societies, car loans, interest-free credit, HSP, they've all got a duty of care to support you through these difficult times. So get the name of the person you're speaking to, give them your account number, log the call and see what happens. So also existing creditors, make sure that you do let them know who you are, because if you don't call them up, you don't make the phone call, the money doesn't go out the bank, you'll get a CCJ or a default on your credit file. They are on there for 6 years. You do not want that. So get in touch and sort it out. They are there to help you. Let's talk about mortgage payment holidays. This is for everybody, where you can get 3 months payment holidays where you don't pay anything for 3 months. The lenders will roll the interest up into the loan. You must ring them up and tell them your predicament. Obviously, they're not going to do it for everybody, but across the board, you should be able to qualify for 3 months payment holidays, which will help you through these difficult times. Bank of England, as you know, 0.1% now is the bank rate has been dropped at the lowest it's ever been. Rates have been so low now. Lenders are still lending, but a lot of lenders are de-risking their products. What does de-risking mean? It means they are removing certain products, 80% loan to value products, 95% mortgage, they could be coming down. So if the economy does slow down and we do go down to lockdown, as you know, we all like going out and spending money. When we're not spending money, going out for meals, going into shops, we're not doing that, the economy isn't moving. It's going to slow down. So rates are good. The houses are still for sale, but you know, be careful what you're doing. Take care of yourself and make sure, obviously, that if you want to buy something, make the right provisions going forward. Rates are going to remain low for quite some time. There's still 3-year and 5-year fixed rates available. However, you won't benefit from the decrease in the Bank of England base rate because you are on a fixed rate. Let's talk about selling your home. Estate agents now, they're all having to work from home. You've got the surveyor coming out to your house. He can't come out at the moment. The man that does the EPC, the Energy Performance Certificate, he can't come out at the moment. So you need to look at preferably going and selling your house online. If you go to my website, jp-mortgages.co.uk, I now sell houses online with a firm called Agents Online. Go on there, they will value your house. They are open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and they will assist you. House prices have been good over the last 6 to 12 months. They've been going up, but who knows what is going to happen going forward where we are now. They could drop between 12 and even 20%, which are going to leave people in negative equity. More so those people that have bought new properties, because as you know, when you buy a new property, it does drop in value initially. So we don't know what's going to happen. Every day is going to be a different day until this virus situation is sorted out. But in general, the banks are still lending. What's happening at JP Mortgages with myself, I have an administrator at the Leeds office who's there 9 till 5 dealing with all the cases. I'm now working from home on your behalf. So when you phone me, I'll have a discussion with you over the phone and I'll give you a red light, an amber light or a green light. Red light is I can't help you, amber 50-50 and green is good to go. What does it mean? It means I've had a discussion with you and I'm happy to contract your work and take it on. That could be a remortgage, a house purchase, but all that will be done over the phone. Underwriters, surveyors, they're all working from home now. So what will I do with you over the phone? The first thing I'll do is I'll do a mortgage fact find. That will take about 20 to 25 minutes. That tells me everything about you, everything I need to about you, your incomings, your outgoings, the whole lot, to tell me where I'm going to get you your mortgage, whether it's a mortgage or a remortgage. I'm then going to complete a budget planner. That must mirror your bank statements, all your incomes and outgoings. The banks want to know what you're spending, and that must match your bank statements. So we get that information, we then send it all off, all done online, the underwriters get it, They underwrite it. If they're happy with everything, they'll then send the value out to value your property. I hope this information has been good. I'm now working 6 days a week from home. Call me anytime whatsoever. My name's John Phillips, and thank you very much for listening.